Every week, there's a new AI tool claiming it can replace developers and help you build your dream apps. And while many of them generate impressive code, you still have to figure things out yourself, right? But Higgsfield says it can take you from a single prompt to a working app, all in one workspace. So here's the challenge. I'm going to build a real app today using the new Higgsfield App Builder. Now, you have two ways to use it. You can either build directly inside Higgsfield, or connect Claude through the Higgsfield MCP. Before connecting the two, make sure you're logged into both platforms. Just watch me do that. In this setup, Claude handles the reasoning, planning, and coding, while Higgsfield turns everything into a working product that you can preview, edit, and refine all in one workspace. Anyway, for this video, I'm going to build everything directly inside the Higgsfield platform. If this works the way it's supposed to, we should be able to go from a simple idea to a working app in just a few minutes. So let's see if it's actually worth the hype. All right, I'm inside Higgsfield App Builder now. We could build almost anything here: a website, a dashboard, a game, a productivity tool. But I want to build something that's actually useful, something creators would actually use every single day. So here's the idea. Imagine having one app where you can generate a thumbnail, remove a background, replace a video's background, and even transform your footage into completely different visual styles, all without jumping between multiple tools. That's exactly what we're trying to build. And here is our prompt. It says, build a modern AI creator studio with a clean, dark interface. The app should include 4 main tools: AI thumbnail generator, image background remover and replacer, video background changer, and AI video style transformer. Blah, 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 and all of that. For the model, I'll be using Claude Fable 5, as it's the newest model available at the moment. You can choose any of these models depending on your needs, okay? Now I'll enter and let the AI do its thing. There we go, the AI has already started building the app. I really like the built-in chat panel. It lets you interact with the AI throughout the process if you want, okay? Making it easy to ask questions, request changes, and refine your project as it's being built. It kind of takes less than 10 minutes to build the entire app, but it's worth it. And that's it, it's done. And it says your AI Creator Studio is live, and here is the live link. Beautiful. This is a very simple and clean interface. We've got the thumbnail maker, image BG remover, video background remover, image restyling, just exactly what I requested. And the features are also listed here with a functional button to give it a try. I'm so impressed. This feature literally lets you swap your video background. And honestly, I can't wait to try them all. This feature is so perfect for e-commerce or anyone who wants to sell random items from home. For example, you can take a simple photo of a shoe sitting somewhere in your house, upload it here, and instantly make it look like a professional product photo. You could then upload that image to platforms like eBay or Vinted, making your listing look much more polished and increasing your chances of making a sale. So, the first feature we're going to try is the thumbnail maker, and let's see how it works. This gives us 2 options, one to upload a character and another to upload a reference thumbnail. So I'll go ahead and upload both, my avatar as the character and then a random thumbnail as the reference. Shout out to Joshua. I'm a big fan of his work. Next, I'm going to paste in a prompt describing the thumbnail content. Everything looks good, so let's click generate and wait for it. Beautiful, guys. This looks really good, especially for a first try. I hadn't even told the AI exactly what I wanted to change, yet it still did a fantastic job with just a single prompt. This looks very similar to the reference thumbnail. Okay, let's test another feature. Let's try the video background remover. I'll upload a short video clip, then tweak the prompt to match what I want to see, a beach background. Now I'll click generate and wait for it. Perfect. This is so good. I'm going to place the original video side by side with the generated one so you can see exactly what just happened. I mean, there's no need for a green screen or anything like that. The person in the generated video is the same as in the original. The only difference is the background. This is seriously impressive. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family on WhatsApp or in your favorite groups. Someone out there might be looking for a tool like this to finally bring their app idea to life. More importantly, later in this video, I'll show you how you could compete for Higgsfield's $100,000 app building prize. But before we get to that, let's test one more feature, okay? This time, we're going to try the video to anime feature. I'll upload another short video clip. We could choose from several other styles like 3D, cyberpunk, and many more. But for now, let's stick with anime. And there you go. This looks really good. All right. I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed with how this turned out. Now, keep in mind, this app is still in its testing phase, so there are a few things I want to improve before it's ready. But considering it all started from a single idea in Higgsfield App Builder, I'm honestly impressed with how well everything came together. The features I tested worked really well with little to no issues, and that genuinely surprised me. I expected to spend much more time fixing things, but the whole workflow was smoother than I anticipated. And if I wanted to edit the website, like adding more features or changing the layout, I'll head back and simply chat with the AI builder. For example, I could say, change the background color from black to gray, or something complicated. I had noticed the video didn't have a voice, so let's fix that. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? It says both fixes are now live, so let's check them out. The background is now gray and everything else remains the same. Now let's see if the audio issue has been fixed.
Survival, trapped in the night. Lord, give us the strength to stand up and fight.
This is great. The generated video now has audio, just like the original. I can also publish the app right here in the app builder. Just click on Apps, then My Apps. This is the app I just built. Once I click the Publish button, it goes live, and just like that, anyone can access it. Pretty cool, right? I'm definitely not stopping here though. After this video, I'll be refining the app, adding more features, and hopefully making it public for everyone to use. So I want to hear from you. What's your honest opinion of the app? Is there a feature you'd add or something you'd improve? Let me know in the comments. I read them all, and your ideas might even make it into the next version. I'm also thinking of submitting this app to Higgsfield's $100,000 app contest. They're currently running a competition where anyone who publishes an app built with App Builder has the chance to compete. So I figured, why not give it a shot? And if you've been thinking about building an app of your own, this is probably a great time to try it. Higgsfield is also giving every new Claude MCP user 100 free credits to get started, so you can jump in and start building without paying upfront. I'll leave links to Higgsfield App Builder and everything else I use down in the description below. Go check them out if you want to try them for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.